The World Health Organization Director General, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, says it is never too late to control an outbreak of the coronavirus. Speaking at a briefing Monday, the head of WHO noted the scale of the COVID-19 pandemic, with 750,000 deaths worldwide expected by the end of this week.
This week we will reach 20 million registered cases of COVID-19 and 750,000 deaths. Behind these statistics, there is a great deal of pain and suffering. Every life lost matters. I know many of you are grieving and that this is a difficult moment for the world. But I want to be clear. There are green shoots of hope, and no matter where a country, a region, a city, or a town is, it's never too late to turn the outbreak around.
With over 5 million confirmed cases, the United States makes up more than 25% of the global COVID-19 cases. Brazil is second with the highest rate of infection, accounting for nearly 3 million cases. In Africa, there are over 1 million infections with 23,000 deaths, but more than 734,000 people have recovered from the disease.
Every country has going through its own situation. Indeed, the situation in South Africa raises a lot of concern. As you know, WHO has just deployed a very big team, close to 50 people, to support the country in addressing this situation. But we cannot conclude that what is going on in South Africa is going to repeat in other places.
African nations joined together early in the pandemic under the African Union to find solutions for much-needed testing and medical supplies, as well as advocating for equitable access for any successful vaccine. South Africa has the highest number of cases in Africa, above 500,000. The country has Africa's most extensive testing and data collection, and yet a recent report by the South African Medical Research Council showed that many COVID-19 deaths were going uncounted. Observers say infections are likely significantly undercounted in other African countries, as well as in richer nations.
If you are asked to stay home, please stay home. But if you do need to leave your house to do different things, to follow the national guidance. If you're asked to wear a mask and you go in shops or you go on public transportation, please do so. If you could avoid crowded places, if you could avoid indoor settings with poor ventilation, manage your own risk. Reduce the opportunity for you to become exposed to this virus.
The WHO says countries like France, Germany, South Korea, Spain, Italy, and the United Kingdom have had major outbreaks of the virus, but have been able to suppress it when they took action. Linord Moudou, VOA News.